For example, say your little sister is trying to grab a roll off your plate. Don't let her take the roll off your plate. That's bad manners. A fork comes in handy also. Spoons make excellent lunch pads, large pads. And of course, steak knife to break. Chewing. What about chewing? What about the manners for chewing? How do you chew your food?
With your mouth closed.
They're getting her food.
No. Look what he's doing. He's cheating. Somebody wants to get his cake and he's going to punch your finger with a fork. That's bad manners. Should I chew with my mouth open or my mouth closed? How are you supposed to chew your food? With your mouth open or your mouth closed?
Mouth closed.
Mm-hmm.
Closed?